Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2009 Ford F-350 Super Duty Harley Edition. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just getting outside condition, whatever features there may be, and then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing the video walkarounds. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it has the tow mirrors, rear tinted windows, running boards, the Harley badging all the way around, aftermarket wheels and tires. Get down on tire size here in just a moment. You see tow pack, backup sensors, backup camera, Bedliner. So I can set up with the plates, power rear slider. We'll get down here on tire size here in just a moment. Alright, let's get down on tire size. Hopefully this helps. Alright. Fog lights. I believe there's a sunroof as well, but we'll see here in just a moment. Let's get to the inside condition and features. So we got power windows, power locks, power memory seats, power fold-in mirrors. Got a power seat. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat, pretty common. Just give us a text or a call. A salesman will come out, take some photos to see if that's been repaired. We did just get this one in. I figured I'd get video walk around on it before so we can get it out there for folks. Sunroof up there. Let's get the back seat here for you. See, it has the floor mats, the WeatherTech type floor mats. Let's get some features on the inside here. Steering wheel controls, stock stereo, heated seats, factory tow assist, pedal adjusters. For the rear slider back there. Alright, and it does have the backup camera in the rear view. I'll show you that once we turn it over, but let's take a look underneath the hood. See what we got. Hopefully I can find the latch here. Oh, there it is. Alrighty. Alright, now I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. Far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. All of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale, and that's huge for us. There's the mileage there. The TPMS light will probably generally always be on because of the aftermarket rims and tires. But again, if that's a concern of yours, just present it to a sales rep. They're happy to help you out. Stereo there. Oh, you want a backup camera? Get it in reverse. There we go. There's the backup camera there for you. Alright. Let's go back to the engine so you can hear it hum along. Might as well turn on some lights while I'm out there, huh? There she is, purring along beautifully. hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.